We live in a crazy world. A crazy world we're living in. Running, spinning like a cross, singing. Never would no one will be hanging and walking and hiking. To which one is witching and watching for someone is kicking for something, and no one would thinking about something for nothing. Put closer and closer and nothing. Yes. Again and again, yes. Again, yes. Route 66. D66. D. The letter D. 66. In brain. Storming again from outcoming the Dutch. What's D66? The route from Route 66 to there where you came from. The original place from all, only not the origin. Think about the country I'm talking. The biggest country is leading on the whole world. The biggest military having and is implementing those what they have to sell and sold to another big countries. So they have only not by themselves the possibilities to be the biggest. What will prevent as first place for the vertical state this Earth in a bubble system is advising, ordering options, intelligence, thinking for the whole world, how rules adjust and must came in, PSI, from the Dutch over to you, D66, call it what you will think in behavior, for those who do not think, no behavior. Thinking like a bubble in space, without no borders, no rooms, no walls. Optimize the ecological microsystem without a room. Enjoy together systems.